landed the drone up in the tree, so let's see the damage. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, let's turn it off.
Okay, so earlier I tried to fix the gimbal issue on my DJI Mini 2 drone, but I had a little issue here. So I don't have the tool to take the gimbal apart, the bearing itself, so it's really difficult to basically tear it apart and change just the little piece in here. So it was a little bit too tricky for me. I tried to take it apart, but there's the little bearing in here and axle as well. So, and I don't have the tool for that to take it apart. So I ordered more parts. But this was like with home delivery, I think 6.5 euros. So the price for this wasn't too bad at all. So I ordered new parts and it's right here. So let's see what we have. And these are actually second hand. So these are used parts. Because I think the original one should be maybe 150, 200 euros. And this was, I think, 47 years or something like that. And let's see. Okay. Hopefully this is the right one. Here is the gimbal itself. So this is empty actually. As you can see, there's no camera inside here. And there's just some label in here that it's been tested. They test all the parts, I think, the company. Let's check if this looks similar. So there is a difference, you can see. It says here 4K and in here there's no 4K label. I don't think the label gonna be the issue for us. This part already has the card for the gimbal, which is here, the gimbal motor, because I actually broke the card which is here on the old part. I tried to take it apart. As you can see, this is in little pieces if you compare. Now I need to take this one apart and install them into this new housing and gimbal system. So I think this is basically just opening the screws and hoping that the installation gonna work. Okay. So the cable from here, from the camera, should come off by lifting it. But also the camera itself, it's just glued to the frame, so it can also pop up if you try to take this power cable off. Oh, yeah, I got the cable out. Okay, it's a little stuck. So there's the camera. There's the housing as well. I think there's... So the housing is already in here. So we don't actually need this. We can leave it here. Now we just need the cable. Okay. Now we can take the cable out. Okay. Now the old gimbal is removed. So first thing, you need the cable. Okay, and then camera itself. Okay, so this now should be okay. This might be the right one. Okay, first part in. Yeah, looks clear. And okay, so we need to connect this. So this should go here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it looks good. So next one gonna be cover in there, but there's a little issue, I think. Okay, it's inside now. Now there should be one more cable. So there's a little bracket for the cable, but the old bracket is here, so I just might open this one and use the old one. Okay. Connection in here. So this should go something like this. I think I need to connect the rubbers, this little rubber grommets here, just from this side. This side we have here in these two corners as well. So connect these into the gimbal housing system, and then it should be okay again. Yeah, hopefully. Now we can see the grommet in here. Okay, should be there. Snap, crackle, and pop. I'll just add the screws here. Okay, it should be okay now. Of course, now we don't have the cool 4K logo in here, but system is same, so it should work. So basically, the guide said that now I need to calibrate the whole system, and not just with the controller and with the battery. We need to connect this to the laptop and get some kind of calibration tool, and I don't know what kind of calibration tool we need to get. So because of the gimbal, it's second hand, so it's been installed already to another drone. They are working together, the main board and everything with the gimbals, you know. So now that we got rid of the old one and we have the new one, so they need to pair all the bits and parts together, and now we need to get the program to do it. So yeah, I think that might be the next hassle, to find the correct program to do the pairing with the gimbal and with the system itself. Hopefully we can fly this soon. Okay, just running the PC and the drone here and trying to do the calibration and pairing with the new gimbal, and I think now I've done the pairing, yeah, and it's not the easiest one. You need to do with command prompt from the PC, and you can do also with Mac. I searched some details from YouTube how to do the thing, and actually I found the video, and there was some good details how to do the thing fully. And now actually, before I did the calibration, gimbal was off and pointing like upward, so now the gimbal is straight, and hopefully it works. I haven't tried to connect the drone with the controller yet, but I think next thing to do is that, and hopefully I don't crash the drone. I don't want to go outside if the drone goes somewhere, you know, and fly away. So this is a little bit like a test in here, and but yeah, super excited to see how this ends. Hopefully this will end with success. Yeah, you need to have like a Python installed to your computer, and of course you need to have the DJI Assistant tool, which is actually for the mini tool to connect it to the PC. And there is different kind of DJI Assistant tool versions for different kind of types of DJI drones. So I think the right one was consumer drone series. Yesterday I didn't manage to get it done, but today I did, because you need to have more than 50% of battery life in the drone as well. The installation and the calibration, and it went well. Now it's the time that I need to connect the controller and the drone itself, so let's see what happens next. And if you have never seen the smallest dishwasher you can get, I can show you right now. So here it is. So basically it's pretty small. So yeah, the fly was a success, but we did get an error from the gimbal, but I think it still works. And there is some kind of instructions how to get rid of the gimbal error, but I presume that that's not an issue to the gimbal, and it works well. So I might try the calibration again with the DJI app, and hopefully we can solve the issue with that. So the gimbal works, and you can adjust the yaw and everything else. So I think it's working fine inside, of course, but and the camera is working. So I think I need to get it outside to take it a little better test. But actually my drone license is not valid, because I tried to sign the contract, but it didn't go as planned. So I contacted the authority about that, but they say there's some kind of issue and they don't know what, and I don't know what is the issue, but hopefully we can solve the problem in there as well, so I can legally fly with the drone. I want to fly the drone with my license and not without, so I need to have to wait till I get my license signed. So gonna need to wait that a little bit more. I have the drone insurance in here, but still need that license to be signed by me, but I cannot do it. I don't know why, so let's see. Oh, it's a little bit open in here. I don't know if you can see. In here, it's a little gap. I think I need to add maybe one drop of super glue so this won't come open. Let's do that. Hopefully I don't mess this. Just drop So we still get the calibration error, but as you can see, it flies pretty good. I don't see any difference between the flights before the crash. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to take it for a longer flight and see if there's more errors occurred. But yeah, now it seems to work. So only got the little error in here, the gimbal error. I tried to calibrate it again, but so there wasn't any help for that calibration error. So I'm pretty happy with the result. It still flies, and so the total cost to repair the drone was under 60 euros, and I think it's a good deal. Now I got my permit to fly the drone, and I have signed it. So now everything is in order according to the papers and the laws in Spain. Please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. And if you have more questions about this whole situation with the drone, please send a message for me, and I will come back to you. But yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.